Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through an ant-aga exercise to help with traps and levator scap. So just bringing the arms out 30 degrees out from the body and then going up into a shrug. You're going to shrug the shoulders towards the back of the ears and hold that position as tight as you can. So you're really contracting through those muscles at the top of the shoulder, and you're going to hold that for 6 seconds, breathing in for the whole time through the nose. At the end of the 6 seconds, you're going to drop the shoulders down, really accentuate that drop, and you're going to breathe out for 6 seconds through the nose again, and then 6 seconds pushing down with the shoulder blades. So down and together, we're going to activate the muscles right at the bottom of the shoulder blades, just on the inside there. You're going to squeeze back and down and hold that again for 6 seconds, breathing in for the whole time through the nose, and then relax and breathe out through the nose for the 6 seconds. So repeat that directly one after the other 3 times in total. So you've got 3 pairs, and try that 3 to 5 times a day.